Okay, so now we will go inside. Then they know from the root stem of this plant they use for making medicine for snake bite.
Snake bite.
Snake bite.
So
Oh.
you just look from the stem of this plant. It's similar to the skin of a snake. And if suppose you come here last 5 months, you will get to see that flower looks like the head of a snake. So as a common name, we call this plant through the shape as a cobra lily or a snake plant.
Oh.
And the scientific name we call it Arissima. Arissima.
This may be generic name.
It's a
Part of it is generic.
yes,
That is
scientific
another
name.
specific name.
Yes. So this plant, we got that root. It has a venom. But those people they
Venom?
study,
Would you
they
use
used to
the
collect that venom from this plant, make an extract. The proper medicine is good for snake bite.
Snake bite is venom. Is the
Yes.
extra generic.
But we here we don't study. We don't know that method how to make an extract medicine. So we, it's useless in us. And those people when they study, they know how to use.
गुड पॉइंट. तो चलो वो हमको एक्सप्लेन करके दिखाएंगे ये सब कुछ और वो एक एक करके हमको दिखाएगा और मैं आप लोग को दिखाऊंगा और आप लोग देखकर आपके पास क्वेश्चंस वगैरह हो तो मुझे कमेंट में पूछ सकते हो, मैं बता दूंगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड होली ट्री, रुद्राक्ष ट्री.
This will cut from the single tree, but it will make different type of rudrak will get from here, from the single tree, different muk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe 7 mukhi also we will get from this tree. Okay, and now we don't have any.
One mukhi.
One mukhi in some other places they will get, but here I have never seen. Okay, we never get from this forest, but I have some example. I will show you there.
चलो.
You think original or duplicate?
This is 1, 2,
No, look from here.
4.
Look all of these.
This is 2.
And then look for this.
Can we collect it?
No.
No.
5.
If you want to purchase, you can purchase from the counter.
Yes.
काउंटर से खरीद सकता है.
Oh, अच्छा.
मुझे तो देखने भी नहीं आता, किसी को देखना आता है.
वो ऊपर से जितने लाइन दिखते हैं वो
Like 2, 3, 4, and 5. This here we cut from the single tree.
Oh.
And we are not allowed for anyone to collect from here or to steal any rudrak from this place. Because some people also they have been returned that rudrak from different part of India when they came and visit this place without telling to anyone. They took this rudrak from here. After few months maybe, that whole family they are getting sick. Okay, so if that people they not return back that rudraks to the same place, we don't know what will be happen for them. So we the local people here, we keep asking for every visitor. No one can take, no one can pluck, or no one can steal any rudrak from here or any flower or orchid from this forest, because something kind of a bad luck it will follow us. So each and every group of tourists when they came from mainland India, they follow Hindu. Okay, but they want to take a rudrak from here. But we keep request for everyone follow the rules and regulation of this Mauflang village that you should not try to take or carry anything from here. So this one also that we don't want to force for anyone that we do selling outside since 13, 14 years ago. That people they are selling outside the rudrak. So now we got like 1 to 7 mukhi is still available outside. If you want to purchase, you will get the original one. We don't have any duplicate, but we are not collecting from here. So depends. Okay, depends on you how you bargain from him. I cannot tell the rates because when I'm telling you the rates, you will might feel costly. Single piece, not the whole mala. Like only this 2 mukhi, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, like around 800 or maybe 1,000 rupees each. So one mukhi we won't get that price.
One mukhi
One
is there.
mukhi
It's available.
it's there, but that one is more costly. Maybe starting price 10,000.
लेके गया तो सब गए हम लोग ऐसा बस में.
हाँ तो ही जाएगा.
बस कनेक्टेड वाले
हम लोग
Where is mushroom?
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
ये कैसा मशरूम है?
ये तो त्रिपुरा में बहुत ज्यादा है।
ट्रिपिंग मशरूम।
ना 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 ही देखो गाइस, लेकिन हम इसको लेकर जा नहीं सकता वरना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है गाइस।
In Tripura, you have pine tree or no?
Pine tree, yeah, it's there.
It's very rare.
Very rare, no?
Yeah.
This is a native pine of Khasi or Shillong. You know the use of this pine tree? Like, how to say?
Timber.
Multiple use.
Can
So
be used
from
as
the wood,
timber,
We use
firewood.
furniture for making house, making huts, and the branches we use for firewood, making charcoal and all. And the leaf of the pine trees we use for making a sleeping mattress. Everywhere, all the whole part of the India, only few states, I think it's not there any coconut tree. So one is Meghalaya, we don't have any coconut tree. So instead of this coconut mattress, we use this pine for making a coir mattress. So the pine cones, the pollen cones, and the new buds of the pine, the people of this Mauflang village, till date, we are still making medicine for the small kids. Okay, so that medicine, what medicine? Pine cones, the pollen cones, and the new buds of the pine, we grind. You know mortar pestle?
Male cone and female cone.
I don't have any idea that one, no. National flower of Nepal and the state tree of Uttarakhand. So the scientific name they call it Rhododendron arboreum, and we the local people here we call Dieng Teo Sao. You have heard about that rhododendron tree? Mishna Thlong. You know that Ukli, mortar pestle. We don't use stone, we don't use any power grinder, electric grinder, and we don't use aluminium or even iron also we don't use. It's not good for health. And we use the wood of this rhododendron tree for making that mortar, or we can use as the another tree, that one as a for grinding, as a traditional grinder in our tradition. So this is a very quite hard wood. The lifetime that we can use may be around 20 up to 30 years. After damage, we have to make the another one. So this tree, it's bloom flower in the month of February, March or till May, and that flower is edible. We eat, we make pickle, chutney, lipstick or sabji. And nowadays people, they have the knowledge they use for natural painting. I'll show you a video later. While coming back, that guy, he climbed on the tree, he used that mortar and grind that flower and use for painting. It's very very nice. If you are still study also, try to learn and do this kind of painting.
Okay.
Ini sipil belong to the star sign. Ini sipil, taksi dunasma. Menin.
तो गाइस इसका नाम क्या है, आप लोग गेस करना, ओके? मुझे भी नहीं पता, लेकिन आप लोग गेस करना जिन्हें पता। और आप लोग क्या बोलना चाहते हो, बोल।
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता।
नहीं, गाली नहीं देना।
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए।
लाभ साइन स्टोन। बस आप लोग देखते रहना, अभी कुछ खास होने वाला।
Anyone of you see this insect?
Making noise. See this.
It's available. It's available in Tripura.
Alarm. इसको बोलता है alarm.
ये कोई ये
Reverse gear जा रहा है.
Of the half track.
last
this is
point
the
of the
main
half
point.
track. This is
Now
the
this
main
place
point.
also is strictly prohibited for the videos and recording.
Finally, हमारा डेस्टिनी यहाँ पर ही खत्म होने वाला है। फाइनली इट्स ओवर। तो अभी हम घर जाएंगे और क्या करेंगे।
पॉकेट चेक कर, कुछ लिया तो नहीं।
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल।
यहाँ से कुछ वगैरह आपको लेकर जाएगा तो खत्म। तो सो बाय बाय, सी यू, एंड अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर। तो चलो यहाँ से मैं कुछ सामान भी नहीं लिया और मैंने कुछ वो पाटा वगैरह मैंने नहीं तोड़ा, तो मैं कुछ नहीं होगा। आप लोग ने कुछ ये सब तोड़ दिया, कुछ लेकर चला गया, तो आप लोग को कुछ होगा इलनेस वगैरह, तो बेटर नॉट टू टेक एंड नॉट टू डू दिस थिंग्स। एंड आज के लिए इतना ही। अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड टेक केयर। बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो।